Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Hello, roadies. It's another Foodie Friday, and I'm here to share with you a special treat. Back in the old days, as of like 6-7 years ago, I was known as the dessert queen. I was always called upon for my fancy and rich and decadent and sweet desserts for church parties, for birthdays at work, birthdays in the family. I was always counted on to bring the treats. And being diagnosed as diabetic has really put a damper on those kinds of things, and makes me kind of sad that I can't do as good a job with these newfangled flours and sugars and stuff. I try really hard, but they're just not quite up to par to my standards, and so I keep practicing and practicing. Well, today I am doing a pineapple coconut cream cake. It is every bit as sugary and sweet and rich that you can think of, but I had a church party to go to, and I decided to, since I had to make it anyway, then I would just go ahead and share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm sure in the future I'll be trying to tweak it with my alternative flours and that kind of thing. But for today, just enjoy, and I hope you like it. Thanks.